I refuse to be beaten by the challenge of making a blue juice. It took some experimentation and I'm not sure who's really going to drink this, but maybe it would be good for kids or themed parties or something. These Butterfly Pea Flower tea bags make a bright blue drink which tastes very mild, and there's a real buzz about celery juice at the moment, so I mixed that with my blue tea to make my juice. It's cheating a bit, I know, but how else was I going to make a blue juice? The blue tea contains anthocyanin antioxidants, which are apparently possess anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and anti-obesity effects, as well as potentially preventing cardiovascular disease. The benefits of drinking celery juice are numerous. Medical Medium wrote an entire book on it where he lists it as a cure for pretty much everything, but only when drank alone on an empty stomach. I do from time to time drink celery juice alone, but largely I include it in my green juices. If you add citrus to the flower tea, it goes from purple and then pink. I believe it's used in Thailand to make Nam Dok Anchan, which is a refreshing pink drink with honey and lemon. This might be fun to experiment with kids and could be used as colouring for desserts or other drinks. Cheers to the blue!